Hi everybody, today is Monday and I will share with you one of the last podcasts that I did last year. I will soon be doing some more. As I've said, you can follow me directly on Castbox, which is where they are, but you can also listen to them at my blog or Facebook. So in this one I talk about horses, carriages and water. And in the tips and tricks section I talk about an issue that is not really an issue for me. Suppose you don't have money to take classes, and what do you do then? You cannot do what you love. It's a waste of time. The internet is an infinite resource for these things. I am self-taught, as a lot of people, so don't let yourself be discouraged by that. But I explain everything in the podcasts. So have fun. See you later.
Funtastic Mondays.
Hi everybody, how was your weekend? Did you have fun? I'm here with some extra ideas for your week. Like I do every week, I search for events and relate them to pyrography. One of them is Feria del Caballo in Spain, Jerez de la Frontera. The heritage of horse breeding culminates in the annual Festival of the Horses. You can watch cowboy and classic dressage, riding competitions, polo, and the parade of carriages, also known as enganches. English, Hungarian, Russian, and Spanish-style carriages richly decorated. Here in Portugal we have a museum for carriages where we do conservation and restoration. I'll leave you the link in the podcast description as well as the Feria del Caballo so that you can take a look. Carriages will be a very challenging theme because of the amount of detail, but if you have enough patience, it will be one of your greatest also. This will require a big size if you want to capture all of the details. You could also use some gold paint to highlight some areas. It would give it an exquisite look and impossible to copy. The second one is the Fiesta de San Isidro in Madrid. This is a 4-day festival in honor of Madrid's patron saint. History says that he worked over 100 miracles, but was particularly good at finding fresh water. So the festival focuses on water. This may seem strange, but at the time this ability was priceless. My relation to pyrography is of course water. It's not an easy subject, I have tried it and must say that I was not truly happy with the result. You have a lot of reflections and color mixing. It's another challenging theme. My advice is for you to pick a small section of a picture or a simple situation to start. Sea water, crashing waves, and very confusing landscapes are extremely hard to represent. On the tips and tricks section, I would like to talk about learning resources / self-taught / classes. As you all know, I'm self-taught in almost everything I do, like so many people I know. If you really like something, don't let classes or money issues get in your way. Internet is an infinite resource of knowledge that you can access from almost everywhere. Use it in your advantage. With this statement comes the question: videos and online information or books? Well, what I feel about this is that image always helps you to understand more than pictures or words. On the other hand, books are always there for you to consult. No need for internet connection, electric power, or any other thing. In the end, if you are able to combine both of them, it would be perfect. Another issue I want to talk about is classes. For this, you must have money, of course, it's totally fair. Like many other things, if you learn by yourself, you will have to go over all the mistakes and learn from them as well as bad habits that you may create. Classes will prevent this from happening. With this, I want to highlight that mistakes are not bad. May be boring and frustrating, but also a way to improve and learn. The learning curve is not bad also. Take it as a fun part of the process instead of frustration. I know it can be hard, but if you are able to let it go, you'll feel much lighter, able to enjoy the process and to evolve. This is my own experience. Life will be much more inspiring with your work. Have fun and be inspired. Have a great day and an awesome week. Good work, everybody.
Funtastic Mondays.